Good morning. Today we are going to start exercise 2.6. Question number 1. Find. In which we have to multiply 0.2 multiply by 6, 8 multiply 4.6, 2.71 multiply 5, 20.1 multiply 4, 0.05 multiply by 7 and 211.02 multiply by 4 and last 2 multiply by 0.86. Before starting this, I want to show you how to multiply decimal numbers. Let's see question number 1, which is 0.2 multiply by 6. This is very simple question. First, what you need to do, multiply 2 with 6, and we know that 2 6 are 12. Then see, where is your decimal? There is our decimal, and after this decimal we have one digit. Similarly, take the number and after it put decimal. So our answer becomes 1.2. Now take another example. 8 multiply by 4.6. So think you are going to multiply 8 multiply by 46. So 8 6 are 48. 4 carry. 8 4 are 32. 32 plus 4 36. Now see, in question we have decimal here. In question we have decimal here 4.6. So count after decimal how many digits are there. There is only one digit after decimal point. So from the last you count one digit and afterward put decimal. Okay. So your answer becomes 36.8. So first answer is 1.2. Second answer I get here 36.8. Third answer 13.55. Similarly, you have to do fourth part, fifth part, sixth part and seventh part. Try it by own self, and afterward if you will have any doubt or any problem, you can comment me on the comment box. I will show these answers in the next video. See next. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 cm and breadth is 3 cm. So here we know what is the area of rectangle. So here you see we have given length equals to 3.5 cm. Here we have length equals to 5.7 cm and breadth is 3 cm. So we know that the area of rectangle is what? The area of rectangle is equals to length multiplied by breadth. So multiply 5.7 with 3. So I already told you how to do multiplication. We will get here 17.1 square centimeter. If you have any doubt in this part beta how you get 17.1, comment me on the comment box. I will explain this again. Question number 4. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? So this is very easy question. See beta. Here we know that distance covered in 1 liter of petrol is how much? 53.3 kilometers. Now in 10 liters of petrol how much distance it will cover? So what we will do? We will multiply 10 with 55.3. So our answer becomes 553 kilometers. Is that okay? Hope you understand this question. and I thought you don't have any doubt in this. This is very simple question. If still you have any doubt, you are free to ask any question. Just inform me while writing your queries on comment box. Clear? Next, question number 3. Find. Here we need to multiply 1.3 with 10, 36.8 with 10, 153.7 with 10, 168.07 with 10, 31.1 multiply by 100, 156.1 multiply 100, 3.62 multiply 100, 43.07 multiply by 100, 0.5 multiply by 10, 0.08 multiply by 10, 0.9 multiply 100, 0.03 multiply by thousands. So these are the following questions. See, in all these we have to multiply with 10. Here 5th, 6th and 7th, 8th part, here we have to multiply with 100. 9th and 10th also we have to multiply with 10, and 11th question with 100, and 12th question with 1000. So see, all these questions are looking similar to each other. We will not solve all the part, and what are the part we will solve here, the remaining part you have to solve by own self. We know that when a decimal number is multiplied by 10, 100 and 1000, the decimal point in the product is shifted to the right hand side. Okay, I mean to say, right by as many places as there as 0. Therefore, these products can be calculated as first, second. So in this I am going to solve 1.3 with 10, 168.07 with 10, 31.1 with 100, 3.62 with 100, 0.9 with 100 and 0.03 with 1000. So first answer is 13. Second answer, we already solved 368.0. Fourth answer, you can assume it, 1680.7. Fifth answer, 3110. Seventh answer, 362. Ninth answer is 90, and 10th answer here we are getting 30. Now we are going to check all these questions. How we get this? According to this method, by shifting the decimal to the right hand side according to their zeros.